क्वेश्चन। क्या पूछता है वो हमसे? एक क्वेश्चन पूछता है, दैट इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस। And what is the main rule of an interrogative sentence? The main rule of an interrogative sentence is it ends with the question mark, right? So yesterday we did some sentences where we had to only interchange the place of the word. He is a good boy. Now my sentence is he is a good boy. Now here there is no verb. यहाँ पे कोई verb नहीं है, लेकिन ये जो word है इससे बोलते हैं helping verb. What do we call it? We call it a helping verb. इससे हमको मालूम पड़ता है कि ये जो बंदा है ये बहुत अच्छा व्यक्ति है. He is a good boy, right? So this is and are, इनको बोले जाते हैं helping verbs. They help us to know more about the noun. That is why these words are known as helping verbs, right? And when a sentence does not have a helping verb, for example, he goes to school. अब वो स्कूल जाता है, यहाँ पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब कहाँ है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है. Here we have the main verb. हमारे पास क्या है? वर्ब है. अब इसमें हम इंट्रोगेटिव कैसे सेंटेंस को चेंज करेंगे? Here अगर goes he to school, is it proper? No. Then here we have to remember a rule. And what is that rule? The rule is you have to add do, does or did. Right? These are the words which help us to know. Make a question, interrogate. हमें पता लगाने में ये क्या करते हैं? मदद करते हैं. इंट्रोगेट करने में, किसी की क्वेश्चन कन्वर्ट करने में ये तीन वर्ड्स हमको मदद करते हैं. डू करो, डज करता है, डिड कर लिया था, दैट इज पास्ट टेंस. अब देयर आर थ्री टेंसेस, ओके? जस्ट पे अटेंशन. हाउ मेनी टेंसेस आर देयर? थ्री टेंस. Past tense, present tense and future tense, right? These are the three tenses, okay? Past tense आप सेकेंड क्लास में थे, खत्म. आप कौन सी क्लास में थे? आप सेकेंड क्लास में थे, दैट इज पास्ट, हो गया. प्रेजेंट टेंस आप कौन सी क्लास में हो? आप थर्ड क्लास में हो, so third is your present class. अगले साल, future, आप कौन सी क्लास में जाओगे? क्लास 4. so this is your future. ये आपका past था जो हो गया, ये आपका present है जो आज है, और ये आपका future जो होगा, right? so these are the three tenses, and here what we have to learn is only about the past tense and the present tense. That is also very simple. We have nothing to get confused, right? Now, next is he, she, it. जब हम he, she और it की बात करते हैं, he is a boy. When we point out he is a boy, मतलब मात्र एक व्यक्ति, right? She is a girl. She means only one person. It means only one person. So this is the whole thing is singular. इसे क्या बोलेंगे हम? ये singular है या सिंगल व्यक्ति है, और सिंगल व्यक्ति के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? does, does. Okay, remember this. सिंगल व्यक्ति के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? does. and plural we, you, they. we यानी हम, you यानी तुम, they यानी वे, right? so we हम, तुम, वे. these are all plural. बहुत सारे लोग. हम, हमारी क्लास के 30 बच्चे हम बन गए. you, तुम्हारी क्लास के 30 बच्चे तुम्हारे हो गए, right? so ये सारी चीजें प्लूरल में आती हैं एंड दिस कम्स इन प्लूरल और प्लूरल में हम ऐड करते हैं डू। और पास्ट टेंस जो बीत चुका है दैट इज पास्ट एंड देयर वी ऐड डिड। Okay, so this is the main rule which you have to remember. And now let's take a look at a sentence where we can use do, does and did, right? Now let's take an example. She takes bath. पहले तो हम verb ढूंढेंगे. What we will look for? Verb. Verb है takes. Past tense तो है नहीं, लेती है. Present tense. अब हम देखेंगे subject. किसकी बात कर रहे हैं हम? एक girl की बात कर रहे हैं. She. Single person. तो हमने क्या देखा था कि single के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? Does. Subject आ गया she. Take bath. क्या वो नहाती है? Does she take bath? Question mark, right? So this is how you have to make it an interrogative sentence. Now, we live in Pune. Now, first we looking for the verb. Which is the verb over here? Live. Action word. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. हम रहते हैं, रहना. रहना is an action. Lived. ed. रहते थे. Past tense. ed कब लगता है? जब past tense की बात होती है. So, अब past tense में हमने क्या देखा था? कि हम word लगाते हैं did. So, my question starts. Did we live in Pune? क्या हम पुणे में रहते थे? And a big question mark. Don't forget to put the question mark because it is an interrogative sentence, and even if you write the correct answer and the question mark is not there, that means you will get 0 marks. Okay, so hope it is very very clear. Now let's write down the rule for an interrogative sentence. Okay, so what will be my rule? My rule will be do, does, sorry, let's write down. He does. She does. It does. Okay, so this is with it you have to use, with she you have to use does. Now we do. You do. They do. Right? This is the first thing which you should know. And to make an interrogative sentence, to convert into interrogative. To convert into interrogative. Now to convert into interrogative, what you are going to do is either you will use do or you will use does. This oblique mark shows that either you will use this word or this word plus subject. जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं that is the subject plus verb. अब यहाँ पे verb का कौन सा फॉर्म यूज करेंगे? बेस फॉर्म. और ये कौन से टेंस के लिए यूज करेंगे? प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रेजेंट टेंस, राइट? Okay children, note down what is written on the board and keep reading. Learn this table. If this table is learned, I don't think it will become very difficult for you. It will be the easiest thing for you. He does. वो करता है. That is a boy. A boy does. She, a girl does. It, an animal or a non-living thing does. बेस फॉर्म आएगा, दैट इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. ओके, now let's move on to the past tense. Now in past tense, what was the rule we had learned? Did plus subject plus verb and the base form of the verb. Here the base form of the verb will come. Base form. ये कब आएगा? When it is a past tense. Past tense. Okay. Right, now let's start up with the exercise. On a new page, write down exercise. Okay, now my first sentence. What is my first sentence? Her elder brother lives in Bombay. Now read the sentence. First thing you have to do is to read the sentence. Her elder brother lives in Bombay. Elder मतलब बड़ा. उसका बड़ा भाई कहाँ रहता है? बॉम्बे में रहता है. अब यहाँ पे verb, हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? Her elder brother. This is my subject. Lives, ये क्या है? Verb. रहता है, present tense. अभी रह रहा है, right? So this is present tense. अब यहाँ पे हम और नीचे जाते हैं तो यहाँ लिख लेते हैं present tense. Right? अब हमारा रूल क्या था present tense का? देखो ऊपर present tense में हम क्या लगाते हैं? Do, does plus subject plus base form of the verb. So how will I form my answer? Let's see. This is her. her मतलब हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? लड़की. कितनी लड़कियां हैं यहाँ पे? एक. तो हमारा आंसर बनेगा does. लड़की के साथ she के साथ हमने does लगाया था, right? does. अब her elder brother, पूरा सब्जेक्ट लिख देंगे हम. her elder brother lives. ये verb, इसका verb क्या होगा? बेस फॉर्म क्या होगा? live. live, live in बॉम्बे. क्या उसका भाई बॉम्बे में रहता है? And it becomes an interrogative sentence with a big question mark. Right? So this is how you have to convert the sentence into interrogative. To convert the sentence into interrogative, first you have to look in for the verb. अब verb देखा मैंने lives. lives का tense देखेंगे. present tense है या past tense? lived है क्या? lived. अगर ed लगा होता तो ये past tense हो जाता, पर क्या लिखा है? s लगा है, तो ये present tense. अब हमने टेंस देख लिया, सब्जेक्ट देख लिया. अब सब्जेक्ट में हमने क्या देखा? सिंगल पर्सन है कि प्लूरल पर्सन? इट इज अ सिंगल पर्सन. विथ सिंगल पर्सन वी यूज डस. सो डस हर एल्डर ब्रदर लिव इन बॉम्बे. हमारा रूल क्या था? डू डस प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब. सो डस लगाया, सब्जेक्ट sentence is complete, right? Hope you have completed your sentence. Let's move on to the next sentence. My next sentence is sentence number 2. She takes dinner in the evening. She takes dinner in the evening. वो evening में dinner लेती है, right? Now first thing is I looking for the verb. Verb ये रहा. Verb की tense कौन सी है? Present. अब हम subject पे जाते हैं. Subject is she. She कौन है? Single. Right? So now I am going to make my answer. Does she take? Take से तो take. Does she take dinner in the evening? क्या वो dinner लेती है evening में? Right? Does she take dinner in the evening? Yes, hope you have completed. Shall I move on to the next sentence? Yes. Now moving on to sentence number 3. They quarrel. Sentence number 3. They quarrel with one another. They quarrel with one another. Now what do you mean by quarrel? Quarrel यानी झगड़ते हैं. वे आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ते हैं. Right? So quarrel. My verb is quarrel. झगड़ा करना मतलब action. So it is verb. अब tense कौन सा है? ed तो है नहीं, past tense है नहीं. So it is present tense. Okay. And subject is they. They plural. So they क्या है? Plural. अब plural के साथ हमने क्या देखा था? हम क्या लिखे थे? Do they quarrel with one another? Do they quarrel with one another? Question mark. Isn't it simple? Only thing you must know the rule. Without knowing the rule, it becomes quite difficult. But see, when you bifurcate, where is the verb? Who is the subject? The subject is singular or plural. The verb is in present tense or past tense. Then only apply the rule. Okay. Sentence number 4. They stood first. They stood first in the class. वो class में first आए. So what will be my first thing? अब बताओ सबसे पहले मैं क्या देखूंगी? Verb. Verb ये stood खड़े होना. Stand, stood. अब tense कौन सी है? Past. Subject they. Subject for is the verb. Ran, run, bhago, ran, bhag liya. So this is the past tense. Past tense. Right. The subject is the horse. Right. Horse kitne hain? Only one. So with single things you use does. So my answer is, does the horse. Now the base form of the verb. Remember the base form of the verb is run very fast and the big question mark. Right? Moving on to number 6. She often argues with him. Argues. Argue मतलब बहस करना. अब ईडी तो नहीं है, तो दिस इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. अब यहाँ पे हमको समझ में आ गया ये कौन सा है, प्रेजेंट टेंस. सब्जेक्ट क्या है हमारा, शी. शी के साथ हमने क्या लगाया था, डस. तो हमारा आ जाएगा डस पहले. डस शी ऑफन आर्ग्यू. आर्ग्यू का बेस फॉर्म, the plural is argues. So base form argue. A-R-G-U-E. Argue with him. And a question mark. Right? So complete what is written on the board, children. Blue line to blue line. In a very good writing. Complete your alphabet. See my alphabet how it is completed. And yours must also be the same thing. Without committing mistakes, children, complete your copy. Yes? Hope it is complete. Next, number 7. My friend drives the car. Now what do you mean here? My friend drives the car. मेरी friend कार चलाती है. Now the verb is चलाना, that is drives. Which tense? ed तो है नहीं, so this is present tense. अब हमने verb का पता लगा लिया. अब हम subject का पता लगाते हैं. Friend. Friend, how many people are there? Only one. So my answer, does my friend, base form of the verb, drive the car. Does my friend drive the car? क्या मेरी फ्रेंड कार चलाती है? Does my friend drive the car? We live in the next block. We live in the next block. हम अगले ब्लॉक में रहते हैं. क्या हम अगले ब्लॉक में रहते हैं? क्या हम अगले ब्लॉक में रहते हैं? We, plural. Live is the verb, present tense. So my answer is, do we live in the number 26. Page number 26. Exercise is given in here. See, you can see here. This exercise you have to try to do it. Okay. This is your homework which we have done. So page number question D. Okay. So you are going to do this question D, try it and do it in your homework and send it to me on my group, right? So hope this topic is very clear. What you have to do is, only thing you have to pick out the verb, and in the verb you have to see whether it is the present tense or the past tense, and you have to see the subject. If the subject is singular, you will use does. If it is plural, you will use do, and if it is in past tense, we will use did, right? So okay children, bye bye, take care, complete your copy, do your homework and send it to me.